Hola amigos, bien ok. Entonces, saludos desde Medellin. Hello from Medellin. So today, it's just me and the fridge, and I'm going to walk you through what we spoke about yesterday, which was my warm-up, if you like, in the day. It's what I do first thing in the morning. I warm up with my Spanish dialogue, just to keep in practice before I do my proper study later on in the day. So I'm just going to demonstrate how we're doing. So for this one, I've got basically three pieces. I've got my standard dialogue from what I call my elevator pitch. I've got another summary I've done of the what happened yesterday, what I'm sort of doing now, and what's going to happen in the future, just to practice those three things, past, present, future. And then I've got a couple of sentences I picked up from the studies of yesterday that I want to repeat today, just to keep them fresh in my mind, because he's helped me with a particular grammar point. And obviously the good thing about working with your fridge is he's got plenty of magnets to hold all your paperwork together to help you do the reading. And we're going to read this out loud, so this is also good because we can stand up, a lot better breathing, better projection, and we get a better sound. So let's just quickly practice this, and we're going to test how long this takes for time, because we should be looking probably no more than about 5 minutes, I would think, altogether. Yeah. Hola, soy Graham, un nativo de Londres quien vive ahora aquí en Medellín. Enseño clases conversacionales en inglés y puedo ayudarle a mejorar su fluidez. Okay, so that's my elevated pitch bit I'm going to practice. Then I'm going to practice my summary of yesterday, today and tomorrow. Ayer fui al supermercado y compré la comida. Después yo preparé para mis clases de inglés y grabé mi video en YouTube. Yo leí más de mi libro en español. En la noche comí la cena y después caminé alrededor del barrio. Mañana voy a visitar a mi familia. La semana próxima voy a ir a la biblioteca. So that's yesterday, today, a bit of tomorrow or the future. And the last thing we'll practice quickly is the couple of phrases I picked up from my study in Bregstein's book yesterday. These are some useful sentences. Yo cierro la ventana del salón porque hay mucho ruido afuera. Yo cierro la ventana del salón porque hay mucho ruido afuera. ¿Qué piensa usted de la situación del mundo? ¿Qué piensa usted de la situación del mundo? ¿A qué hora va a llegar el tren? ¿A qué hora va a llegar el tren? Okay, so I think that's taken just about 2, maybe 3 minutes. So as you can see, it's a really quick practice you can run first thing in the morning. If you run it through 2 or 3 times even, you're still only looking about 5-6 minutes. Gets the voice going, gets you refocused on maybe a few key points you picked up from the previous day you want to practice. Practice your main useful sentence for the week, and also practice some of the time expressions, past, present, future, or maybe some other point that was really confusing you. So that's my top tip. That's showing you how to do it. So have a go. Déjame saber en los comentarios. Let me know in the comments how you're getting on with that. I hope you find it useful. Something quick to practice in the morning before you get your day started. So buena suerte, good luck, and hasta el próximo. See you next time. Cheerio for now.